Hey everyone, let's solve the today's LeetCode challenge. Find unique binary strings.
So in this problem, we are given a string array nums containing n unique binary strings, and all of that binary strings are of length n, and we have to return any binary string of length n which does not appear in that nums array, and you can return any answer. So let's have a look on this example. Here we are given binary strings of length 2. So for 2 length, how many binary string we can have? We can have 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. These are the possible options we can have in our nums array. And what are the options given to us? Those are 0 1 and 1 0. And we have to return any binary string from this array which is not present in our given nums. So first approach can be like converting those elements to the base 10. So if we have converted those binary string to base 10, we can just directly iterate over the candidate options. So for n equal to 2, our value will go from 0 to 3. From binary string, you can also check 0, 1, 2, 3. So these four are our candidate options, and we can compare these value to the values given in the problem. So in the problem we are given with two binary string which are 0 1 and 1 0. So 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 2. So we are given 1 and 2, and we can have 0 1 2 3 in that array. So by iterating that array, we can get to know which is the element not present in our nums array. So we'll iterate over this array 0 1 2 3. 0 is not present in that set. It means we can return 0 as an answer. So later on we will convert 0 to base 2 as a binary string. So this can be the approach. Firstly, we will add all the values given in nums array to the set, converting into base 10. So like this. Here we have created a set and added 1 and 2 in that. Now we will iterate from the candidate values, which is for n equal to 2, it would be 0 1 2 3. We will iterate over that, and if any value is not present in the set, we can use that value as our answer, and we can return that by converting that into a binary string. But we have to make sure that the binary string is of length 2. So we will just take a loop n number of times and just take modulus with 2, which is 0, and then divided by 2 with a 0. So 0 and 0 like this. So 0 0 we have to return. The second approach can be check with all the possible binary strings of length 2 or maybe n in any example. So here in our example, we are given with this array. So we have to check for all the possible binary strings on n equal to 2. So firstly, we don't have any, well, we can capture that in a string variable. So firstly, we will add 2 and then add 1, and we will do it recursively till the temporary string length is not equal to n. So further we will add 0 and then 1, then 0 and 1, which is 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so here and this or this level n is equal to 2. So we have to track a terminating case. So at any index, if we get a binary string of length 2, that is which is not present in our set, we will maintain separately. That would be our answer, and we just have to cancel all the recursive call further. Okay, so here in the code, at every at every point, I'm just adding either 0 or 1 in the answer. And if we are able to achieve the answer by adding 0, I'll just return the value. We don't need to check further. Okay. And if we are not able to get the value, I'm just returning null. So let's try to diagram this code. Initially, we don't have any string, and then we added 0 and make a further solution call to this function with index plus 1. So it further made a call and then added 0 in that, and now the terminating case will run. If the temp size is equal to n, in that case we will check whether it is already present in the set or not. If it is not present in the set, we will just return it. So our call came here and then it came here, and at 0 0 it went into the terminating case and just we return from here. And now when it returned to this call, it came here, and if left is not equal to null, it just return the left value. Then keep on doing so, and ultimately it is going to return 0 0 from this program. Okay, let's try to submit this program.
Let's try writing the code for this problem. Here we are going to check all the possibilities for these binary string of length n. So firstly let's capture the length num stored, and we are adding our existing binary search in a set. So I'm also taking a set of string in n for the size. Set equal to new hash set, and then I will just call my solve function. Do we need to pass index? No, I don't think so. We'll just add empty string. Okay, private void private string sort string temp. If temp string dot length is equal to n, it means that is the candidate string, and we will check whether that is present in our set or not. If that is not present in our set, it means that can be our answer and we can return that. Set dot contains temp equal to false. In that case we can just directly return temp. Otherwise we can check for left part. We can check by adding 0 to our existing string. So solution temp plus 0. If we are able to achieve the answer by adding 0, if left not equal to null, then we will just return left. Else we will check for the right case. Solution temp plus 1 if right not equal to null. Otherwise we are just going to return null. Let's try to run this code. Output 0 0, expected is 0 0. I forgot to add the existing nums in the set. So for string s nums set dot add s. Memory limit exceeded. Okay, so maybe it is going to process the elements with length more than n. So in that case what we can do is we can add for another parameter which is index, string index, which is index plus 1, incrementing the index at every stage. And before going into recursive calls, I will just check for the index. If index is less than n, only then I'm going to enter in the recursive calls, else it is returning. Okay, let's try to run it again. Sorry, it is index, which is integer. Now let's try to submit this problem. Okay, it is submitted successfully, beats 77% of the users. Okay guys, I hope you understood the code. Thank you.